Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. In this video we're going to be talking about the Xeno, the original white Xeno. You guys remember this thing? Yeah, a lot of us cut our teeth on this. And this video is about the best accessories we can purchase. Alright, so here we are on the other side of the intro. And you know, this white Xeno right here, oh my gosh, guys, brings back so many memories. I know a lot of us pre-ordered it in 2018. I know I did. Marcus Crawford from Idaho Quadcopters did. Ron Brown, the Coho Xeno Nation, which is now called Drone Nation, pre-ordered this, and we received it late 2018, and we flew the heck out of this thing. And everybody here in the U.S. wanted to know what this thing flew like. We went through firmware update after firmware update, and we learned so much with this drone. So, I have a lot of fond memories and good feelings for this drone. It's a bit on the wild horse side. You have to tame it while you're flying it. But that's kind of the charm of this product right here. So let's get into the best accessory. First thing you need to do is purchase Hubsan props. Okay? Do not buy the props from other manufacturers. They will break on you and will make your drone crash. Okay? So Hubsan, I should say, upgraded the Zino product line, and went to Zino Pro, and then they went to the Zino Pro Plus. So they increased the range each time, and the white one was 1 kilometer, and then the Hubsan Zino Pro twice and 3 times that range. Okay, which really doesn't matter much anymore because we need to keep it in line of sight because the FAA is starting to crack down on everything, guys. So be sure you fly safe and keep it in line of sight, okay? Alright, so the other thing that's important to purchase is additional batteries, guys. And I highly recommend this 5,000 milliamp hour battery from Hubsan right here. And it's a huge battery, and it sticks out of the back of the drone, and you have to hold it in place with some additional tape. But it's worth it because it gives you some additional flying time, guys. So very good thing to have. And of course, having multiple batteries is a plus, right? And you can see here that I have 3 batteries that I fly the white Xeno with. And look at this. See if I can get it to focus. You see what I wrote on my number 1 battery? Bad. They go bad. So be careful. I don't use this battery, but I just kind of keep it in here because I have space for it. I really should take it out. But anyway, additional batteries are a must. Now, as a perfect segue for the next topic or the next accessory, which is this Lipo battery charger. They call it a Lipo balance charger from IMAX. The model is a B6. Manufactured, it looks like this, guys. So it's a hobby grade charger that has all these balance ports on the back. You see that? If I can get it to... Nope, it doesn't want. And there goes my dog. And you see it's got all this balance ports, and the 2 banana RCA jacks are your charging ports. Okay? So this charger here is very nice. It can balance your battery. It can put it in storage mode, and it's just overall a really good thing to have. You're going to need to modify your existing Hubsan cable to fit the supplied cable from your Lipo balance charger. Now, I'll put in the link above here and in the description of how to do that, for the videos of how to do that. Okay, so there's the balance charger. Alright, let's move into the second to the last. So we need to protect the lens on the camera of the Zino, and you could do that by buying ND filters. The ones I purchased are from JSR, and they look like this. That's the box, and here's what they look like inside. This Xeno camera is a small little camera that works really well when it's really sunny. It doesn't work so well when it's cloudy or at sunrise and sunset. You have to fly really slow. You can't move it around very much. But it does super nice job if it's sunny. It captures everything very well. Otherwise, your video will look a little soft. So be careful with these. Don't use them unless it's a very sunny day. Okay? Alright, and lastly but not least, in my opinion, one of the most important ones coming up is this right here. Is this case, this travel case. Oh, it's super important, guys, because check this out. It fits the Xeno in here so well. The extra batteries in here so well, and if you're not using your Xeno supplied battery charger, then you have your case. It fits there. This travel case has a big old pocket right here. They can carry all your accessories I just discussed right in here, like so. You can see that. So when you need them out in the field, I even have a screwdriver and a multifunction tool in here, and a flashlight that I use to travel with. Very nice case. This is a must to put your drone in and you travel in. And again, it keeps everything nice and tidy. Right in here, you can see it. Show it to you. You see that? It carries everything in there nice and tidy. Alright, so that brings me to the end of the video. So in this video, all the links to the products discussed will be in the description below. If you don't see the links, hit the show more button and scroll through until you find the links you want. Spirit of full disclosure, I get a credit for the sale if you use the affiliate links. And I would appreciate it, and thank you in advance for using those links. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, also known as a like. And if you like the contents of the channel, bam, bam, hit that subscribe button. And I want to thank you guys that are subscribers. I appreciate you guys watching. Couldn't do this without your support. Thank you for your support, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.